In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Godaddy account. This process is straightforward, so let's make it as simple as possible while ensuring you understand each step. First, open your preferred web browser and perform a Google search for Godaddy. This is the quickest way to get the most up-to-date link to the Godaddy homepage. Once you see Godaddy in your search results, click on the link to head straight over to their website. Now, once the Godaddy homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Sign In page where you can access your account. Once you reach the Sign In page, you'll have a few options to choose from. Godaddy offers you the flexibility to sign in either through your email or by using your Facebook or Google accounts. If you've linked your account to any of these platforms, it might be the easiest and quickest way to log in since it eliminates the need to remember yet another password. If you choose to log in using your email, the next step is to type in your email address along with your password in the designated fields. It's important to ensure that both are entered correctly. A tip to make sure your email and password are correct is to type slowly and double-check if your keyboard's caps lock key is turned off, as passwords are case-sensitive. After you've entered your email and password, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Go ahead and click on it. This action will submit your information, and if everything was entered correctly, you'll be taken directly into your Godaddy account. If you encounter any issues, such as an incorrect password, don't worry. Godaddy has a password recovery option that you can use to reset your password and regain access to your account. And that's it. With these easy steps, you're now signed into your Godaddy account. Managing your domains, hosting, or whatever service you use on Godaddy is now just a click away. Thank you for watching this guide on signing in to your Godaddy account. I hope you found it helpful and can now navigate the sign-in process with confidence. If you enjoyed this video and found the instructions clear, feel free to like, subscribe, or share with anyone else who might benefit from it.